Left. You want to launch it past them on the left side. Can you cast past them? All right, real high, real high. Don't let it sink. You're gonna go over his backside probably. All right, reel it in. Do it again. He didn't see it. You only get a couple chances at this. Cast high and cast left. Don't cast unless you cast past them. Cast way past them. There you go. Real high, real high. That's perfect cast. Real high. I want to see your shrimp. Come on. I don't see your shrimp. All right, slow down. Did we just scare him or is he coming for it? He didn't thump it?
I told him to thump it, man. It's gone.
And then he might be swimming at you. He might have already swallowed it. Look. Yeah, he's on there. Your first tripletail.
Fuck yeah. That was fast.
That means he swallowed it because you didn't feel it. You didn't know he was on there. He's too small. So that's a short. The last one was a big one. They fight pretty hard.
I'm trying to go around back. You go wherever.
Well, don't let them real hard. And put some heat on them.
What braid are you running? What?
15.
15. So we changed everything over to.
Is he a keeper? He's putting up that hard of a fight. Usually the keepers put up a good fight. He might hit. No, that's 17 then. Your first tripletail always swallows it because you don't feel the bite.
That's wild.
You're reeling too slow.
So he...
This is like West Coast mahi fishing.
Wow.
They just hide underneath it. He's golden.
Yeah, he is.
Crazy little guy. There's two of them right there. That was a good cast.
I had him.
I got one. I got the little one after mine. Get the big one right behind him. How did he not eat that? Alright, I got the little one. There's a big one right behind this one. Come on, get that big one.
I was thinking he would get him bite it.
Come on, just grab it, get that big one.
Just hanging out there, ain't he?
There you go. You got him. That's a good size one. I think I caught the big one. I thought there was one bigger.
Got a red.
Yeah, it's a redfish.
So I was literally, I opened the bail and let it come down with the current.
He's gonna teach us how to catch them now. He caught one.
I like the reds. I don't know about that tripletail yet. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Hope that's overslot.
Nope. He's a perfect 20-incher.
I was just gonna come up and sit in the tower, show you guys around. I have an odd net, but
That's how it's done.
hey, look.
Well, that just shows you're moving it too much, or the rod holder can outfish you.
So I'll come back on this side. Back off out here. And then just let it drip over. Just let it drip down.
This is an overslot.
Is it?
Yeah, he's big.
Oh, he's a pretty one.
Well, he might be a top slot. Yeah, that's overslot. What are you guys doing?
Just watching you.
That's a big red, jeez. I feel like I'm gonna get dragged out of the tower. It's hard to fight him out of the tower.
Yeah.
There it is.
Incoming! See what he is yet. I don't think he knows he's hooked.
It's another red.
We ain't even ready. Not even close.
Well, make sure you got the hooks in them. That's a big fish, dude. I just saw a glimpse of him. Oh yeah, big ol' red.
I said, I knew he wasn't ready yet. I'm really trying. I don't want to pull this.
It's a big red.
Josh.
Oh yeah, look at the size of that red.
I got two trying.
They're fighting for it. Why are you not fishing? Net guy. No, keep him off the boat. You already got yours in?
Yeah.
Was it a red?
Yeah.
That's a 35 incher. Damn, that's a big red. Good God. That one might hit 40.
Right on.
Man, he looked puny to that one.
Hey.
Your 27 incher looks tiny. Well, that's a hell of a double. Big boy. You got another big one, don't you?
A big monster.
Too big.
That's another 30 incher. Don't break the rod. Don't high stick it like that. Keep it low to the water.
I was just trying to muscle him in, but
Well, your hand should be on the reel, not the rod. You put your hand in the middle of the rod, that's how it snaps in half.
keep it there.
Yeah. If it ain't corked, don't put your hand on it. Do you see him chasing it? Holy cow, it's another huge one. That was barely hooked.
Barely hooked. That's where I like them.
Yeah, that would be easy to release.
Oh, look, see?
It just fell right out.
That's even better.
I wonder why you're losing so many.
Patience is a virtue.
Oh, that's a keeper one right there. That's a 27. This one's a 30. Nah, that might be over slot too. That's a good one.
Oh, right here next to the boat.
31.
I'm right next to the boat.
That one might be 27.
I was being nice with him.
It's another big red. Here. Keep it in the school. Or just lay it down.
Okay.
You got him. He'll listen. You tell him where to go, he'll go. Alright, stay low to the water. That is a big fish. They're all 30s, aren't they?
Hope he didn't swallow it.
It's gonna be a catch and release kind of day.
How much is it?
We let our, they said they don't want to keep any.
We'll keep a couple, but we're kind of trying to be picky. We know Justin saw Hollywood and stuff.
Yeah, right.
We want at least the circle hook will go.
So everyone in the boat seems to have hooked a bunch, but I can't get the Marine to catch one.
The Marine hasn't got one?
Not one.
Not me.
What?
It's not me, I promise.
I thought he just had a line.
No, he's just throwing his hook at us.
It's another big boy.
Yeah, we're trying to.
Keep him away from the trolling motor. They're dragging the whole boat. Keep him away from it. There, he's coming back.
That's crazy. That's got to be a big one.
They're so much stronger than drum. That's a slot. Oh my god, it's a tournament fish, dude.
Keep it. Let's keep it until the next tournament.
26 and a half. That's a good one too. There's our limit. That's the third one you wanted. Finally got one. And of course it's at the spot that nobody else could catch one. He catches one. Is he under 27?
I think so.
It's another fat fish. It's another big quality fish. You grab his tail. He's 26.
Yeah.
Top, not bottom.
Oh, top?
Yeah, I always do top. 20, 25.
Right on.
Now you're gonna get everyone's attention.
Start screaming.
Yeah, start screaming and hollering like, and watch how many boats come and sit by us. That's what I do when I'm like ready to leave and we catch a fish. Like make all the commotion. Everyone will fight for the spot.
Coming towards you, Josh.
He's going underneath. Another big boy. It's not even that big. We don't even need the net.
Fighting like he was digging. Circle hook's working.
Yep. You're catching a few little guys. Drag us out. I wasn't paying attention and he ate it. We're gonna get everyone's attention now. Like, do you hear the guy saying, he's like, he's got a fish on? Somebody's calling me. Yeah, come over here. I got the school right behind the boat.
Yeah, you catching it?
Yeah, I'm actually reeling one in while you're calling me.
Oh, okay. 10-4.
Alright, bye. Yeah, we're the only ones catching them. So everyone's gonna start coming this way.
Right out in front of you.
Well, I figured we can leave and let him have the spot if you want to go try the trout spot.
Whatever.
I think we've already caught more reds than everyone else. Just from one fish. Yeah, but just one fish gets everyone excited.
Oh, wow. Wow.
We keep catching them just a bit under, man.
That's another good one.
I don't want to break the line.
You're not gonna break your line on that little thing.
No.
That's a small one. It's another good one.
That was a good one.
That sounded like a rocket. Another good red. A sea trout. Supposed to be catching sand trout, not sea trout. Oh, we got the sea trout bite. What the heck? 2 sea trout. Yeah, big sea trout. Look at the keeper sea trout. Nice. That's a giant sea trout.
Never really good eating.
Nice fish. A big old sea trout.
That was like.
Yeah. Can you catch a sand trout so we can leave? Hey, that might be it. Hey, there it is.
Finally.
There's a sand. That's the average. Yeah, no. Couple sand trout for the cooler. Fall off when you get a slow hook set. Another sea trout. Oh, big sand. Get him in. That's a good one. See, that's the average. You want their average to be like that.
Oh shit.
A red. That's not changing direction. It's fighting like a medium-sized drum, like a 28-inch drum. No, that's a top slot red.
Wow. Yeah, he just realized he saw the boat. Get out.
The people behind us could probably hear us, but not the people in front of us. It's not even that big. That's a 27-incher. That's a tournament one. Okay. Yeah, the net is like in the line. Alright, turn him this way. Let him drift into the net. Or let him relax. Let him turn. There you go, right there.
Jesus.
He's fighting in the current. That's a good size. After all the big reds we've caught today, it doesn't even look that big.
Once I didn't have it. That's good. That's what I did earlier. That's what happened with the current. Yep. That's what the beast was. I just heard him say something to his wife. Whoa, fish. She's trying to go right back where it was.
It's another big boy redfish.
So do you think these fish get caught over and over and over and over again?
They probably get caught.
Is that what it is? Scared to eat?
Oh, if you leave the hook in his mouth.
Oh.
But I mean, they'll still eat the same day. They probably just won't eat the same shrimp. You know, they won't. They'll look for something different.
Not the same one.
It's bigger.
It's a lot bigger.
We got all these rods in the way. That's a bigger. That's a 29.
That's a big one. Good job. Yeah, mine had 2 spots, so.
More water.
Did you see those? Have you seen those leopard? The ones they call leopards?
I caught one leopard. Yeah, I caught one.
That's what you guys saw.
Yeah, it was probably my video. Another big old redfish.
Is he? And we're like you, man. I'm cool with the environment. I want them to go back in and do what they're supposed to do.
Oh, there he goes.
There you go.
Well, somebody's figured out how to catch redfish.
He's a little one. Yeah, man, please don't swallow those. They're so pretty though, man.
He didn't swallow it. You actually hooked that one in time.
Thank God. I'm on the wrong side of poles. Hang on, go over there. There we go. They're just such a pretty fish, you know?
I didn't know there was this many redfish here. You still got? Yeah, you got a big red. I got a jack. Crazy little thing.
That's the perfect lifter.
I'm gonna try to get him on video.
We're going back over in that hole.
Oh, that's a big one, dude. Pull him away from the net. He was literally going into it. You gotta open the bail and let him go into it. So you pull him in fast and then release slack and let him go in. So pull him in fast. Probably easier if we move that pole out of the way. Alright, now let him go right into the net. There you go. Now open it. Beautiful.
Wonderful.
That's a good way to end it with some big old redfish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I got some mangrove. What'd you get?
A red.
This?
Yep.
I do this fucking quick.
Too easy.